Hey guys, welcome back. Got sent this awesome beach tent from Easthills Outdoors. Now, this is not a paid review, just got sent some cool swag and wanted to show it off for Easthills here. The bag I really like, no complaints getting anything in or out of the bag, and the beach tent sets up really nice. Sells for about $105. Comes with some tent pegs. Although you don't need them, I was able to use this a couple of times without any tent pegs whatsoever. You just unfold it down, and then you pull up on the top mechanism here, and it just pulls up the whole tent really easy. Just kind of snaps and folds out. Now this is the mechanism here. And again, another look here at the mechanism going up. Just pops up real good with a firm pull, and then you just pop it out by those two bars. Again, really easy to pull it up and pop it back down. No complaints on setup at all. Then you just go around to the sides and you pop out the pegs, or the tent pole, should I say. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. It sets up really easy, less than 5 minutes to set up. And again, if it's not windy, you don't have to peg it out, so that's kind of cool. I do like the look of it. Would be excellent for the beach. Here's what it looks like inside of the tent. You got 3 windows, all can be rolled up. There's pockets on the bottom. And then at the top you can hang a light or whatever you like. Also a vent up there. And on the side of the tent there is sandbags, or maybe even snow bags if you're in the snow. And that would help keep the tent from blowing away, especially if you didn't put pegs down. Now there's also a front flap that can be rolled out, so you've got some extra space to cover the ground. And you can also use it like a normal tent, which is pretty cool. I did have a little bit of problems getting it around the corners, but it's a zipper. I mean, come on, no zippers are hardly perfect. But it wasn't perfect when it comes to the zippers. Minor complaint. Inside of it, it was pretty warm, but I didn't have the windows down. So folding those up is really easy. You just kind of roll them up and then connect them to the 2 top pieces. So it does breathe very well. Now this is not a waterproof tent, so if you get rained on, you're gonna get wet. So keep that in mind. And I'm 5'9", this is what it looks like inside the tent. Highly recommend it. Check it out in the comments in the description below.